guys, what's up? This is a Sharice Styles styling your home gardening video. So this is a pot of succulents. I had about 5 baby succulents going on in this one pot, and they've been growing wonderfully together. But now, and that's some dirt that got on that. But now it is spring going into summer, and a lot of times succulents get these little bugs. It's like a little flying, what looks like a little flying ant. So it was happening, and I tried to just spray the soil with a natural solution. So what I did was make a home do-it-yourself solution, and I put it in this little solo cup, and it has it's just water with oil, a little vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is the best one from what I've heard. I put some vegetable oil in there with some water and some dish detergent because you need some soap. And I've just been squirting it on, what I tried first was squirting it on all of the soil and squirting down the plants themselves, and tried to kill off all the bugs the other day, and killed as many bugs as I could see crawling around. And it killed all of the ones that, you know, I could visibly see and that was coming out at that time. And then I realized that there's still a few more bugs that was down in the soil that begin to come out. So now I have to repot. So I'm taking them all out, and what I'm doing is, again, with that solution, I made more of that same solution, and I'm just using my little squirt bottle top to stick in there because I don't want to get the oil in my daily spritz bottle, because that will be terrible for my plants on a day-to-day basis. So I just took them out. I've been taking them out of the soil and squirting them down with the solution, as you can see with these two. Squirting them down with the solution, you know, getting it all out, making sure I'm not seeing any bugs, opening up the root ball, you know, getting rid of any extra bugs, and then repotting them into their own little world. And I'm gonna put a couple of them back in here. So these are the ones I haven't touched yet. I'm gonna see if we can see any of the bugs. Let's see if we can find any of the bugs that's been coming out of the roots still. They're very tricky. Oh, there goes one. I see one. You see them? Oh, there goes another one. You see them? They look like little ants. They crawl around like little ants, but they also can fly. See them? Oh, that one just took off for us. So yeah. So that's what's happening. So if you're having that issue with your succulents, you can do this too. Just get some. And what I have is a succulent potting mix. It's great for cactus or palms or citrus, and it's also great for succulents. So yeah, that's what I get from my succulents, and it works perfectly. It helps the drainage much better, you know, because regular soil doesn't really drain enough for succulents, and you might find that you have been not really overwatering your succulents, but still they're not getting, you know, they're dying or feeling, you know, the roots are rotting out from being too watered. So if that's happening, then get you some of this. All right. So this has been your Sharice Styles styling your home garden video. Try this to save your succulents during the spring and fall season, spring and summer season. All right. Talk to you guys later. Check me out at Sharice